The mortgage rate is at the lowest it's been in 3 years. This certainly is favorable for those buyers looking to purchase. It's Friday, January 30th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Sellers had fewer showings this report due to snow and ice that kept buyers away from home tours and canceled open houses. Many homes are still not cleared and the ice remains dangerously impassable. Should we get additional snow or ice this coming weekend, it will compound the already difficult situations in many communities. Meanwhile, inventory of homes offered for sale dipped 0.6% to 1,869 at a median $384,900. 111 homes will be coming to the market at a $439,000 median list price. Fewer homes went under contract because buyers couldn't see them. Only 61, and those were on the market 70 days before receiving a contract at a median list price of $405,000. 80 homes sold in 48 days at 96.9% and at a median sold price of $383,250. Rentals rose to 172 units, but the median rose to $2,200 per month. Be sure to check out the Maryland Market Minute for additional details and economic impact on the real estate market. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, January 30th. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Stay warm, stay safe, and watch those icy patches. Take care.